Welcome to this technical guide on the Custom PC. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Many users experience the frustrating issue of their custom PC not booting up. This can occur due to a variety of reasons, including power supply failures, faulty RAM, or issues with the motherboard. If left unresolved, it can lead to further damage, making repairs more complicated and costly. To tackle this problem, you will need a few essential tools, a screwdriver set, an anti-static wrist strap, thermal paste, and replacement parts as necessary. First, ensure your PC is powered off and unplugged. Carefully open the case by removing the screws on the side panel. This will give you access to the internal components. Once inside, check the power supply connections to the motherboard and other components. If the power supply seems faulty, it's usually located at the back of the case and can be identified by the cables connected to it. To remove it, disconnect all the cables and unscrew it from its mount. Be cautious when handling the components to avoid damaging nearby parts. If you suspect the RAM is the issue, locate the RAM slots and carefully release the clips holding the RAM in place. Remove the RAM sticks and inspect them for any visible damage. If you need to replace them, insert the new RAM sticks firmly into the slots until the clips click back into place. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you've made the necessary replacements, double-check all connections and screws before closing the case. Ensure everything is securely fastened and that no tools or loose screws are left inside. Power on the PC to see if it boots up successfully. If it does, congratulations! You've fixed the issue. To prevent this problem from occurring in the future, ensure your PC is well ventilated and regularly clean the interior to avoid dust buildup. Additionally, using a quality surge protector can help safeguard your components from power fluctuations. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.